Hi guys, today I will show you how fix a problem with your games not visible in Google Play Store on your REALME C17. To fix this problem, in the first step, I try to download some games from Google Play Store. It can be Call of Duty maybe, but I can't find it in it. To fix it, I must go back to the main menu of Google Play Store. Press the icon of our photo on the right side. Go to the setting, and now I choose family and parental controls, where I have PEGI 3 and I must change it to PEGI 16. To do that, I press there, enter code pin, and now I can change it to PEGI 16. Confirm all by got it, click save, and now I have PEGI 16, and we go back to the Call of Duty game, and now I can install it. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!